Hello guys, we have now new project N series double cab conversion, painting and repair. Check siya N series, banggain dito niya, so re-repair po natin siya bago natin ko convert. Surplus Japan, with power tailgate lifter, double cabin.
Yung mo to, ayan po, helper ng printer namin. Isang anak ng Pakistani.
N series. Yan po ang pintor kong gwapo.
Ito yung helper. Oh, nagyayan.
Ayan pintor, ito ngayon ang kumpare kong gwapo rin, pangmalakasan. Power tailgate, double cabin N series. Next project po, N series with cabin repair.